back, everybody. Thank you for being here for another painting video. I'm gonna play tonight and you get to watch because I normally have all of my videos kind of scripted out of what I want to do. I write them down, I kind of journal them, get my thoughts together for concepts, ideas, techniques. And I have a concept, but I don't exactly know what I want to do with it yet. So it's been evolving. It started, and this is going to be just all paint and water. It started in the concept of a wave with paint and water, but not blown out. I was going to try to swipe it. Then I thought, okay, I'm not vibing with the wave on this one, which they do turn out beautiful. So then I thought, okay, well, do I do a blowout? And I didn't want to do that either. I'm kind of stuck. I want to swipe this one. So what I thought is maybe I would combine the two techniques together. So I will blow out certain parts of it and maybe even have a negative space part in the center, and then I'll swipe up into the negative space. I don't really know if it's going to work, but you're going to find out with me. Let's paint. All right, I'm just going to dive in. I'll be honest, when I have thoughts like this and I don't know what to do, I just go for it and we'll just see what happens. That is like my motto. I have a table blue here, so I can't even tell you what color it is. It almost always turns out like a robin's egg blue. I think in the center, I'm going to do my Prussian blue and my phthalo blue. This concept really started out like a wave. Olga Sobey was over here. I can't believe it's been this long ago, a couple of years ago, and she did a wave swipe with just paint and water. And I was going to do one of those, and then I thought, well, let me see what else I can make out of this instead of the waves that I do all the time, which, don't get me wrong, I love them. Oh, did I get paint on my forehead? I think I got, I'll see in the video when I edit it. Don't make fun of me. And then I thought, okay, well, what else can I do with paint and water here? I'm going to put a little bit of those in there. And I think a little bit of the Payne's Gray as well, but not much. I do have my silver, and then I want to swipe with white. So I'm going to do a little bit of the white here. I'm not going to have the white in the center, actually. I'm going to have it out on these edges. And I think I'm going to blow outward on these parts and then swipe down through the center on the other parts. Whoa! Okay, that was big. That was a big chunk. Okay, I'm thinking that's enough paint for what I want to do. I don't know. Maybe I do. All right. Let's try this. This is how this, if you really were in the studio with me instead of seeing like actual videos that I edit, you would be like, who is this person? Like, I am just all over the place. I have no idea if ideas work sometimes, like, so let's find out. I have forgotten how much I love this color combination together. Okay, so I have this part. I really kind of like this the way it is. And I had my big, but I think I'm gonna use this. I may even wanna go smaller than that. I have like all these different palette knives. This one's my newest Artist Loft one, but I don't know. Yeah, I feel like the smaller size is gonna be the right one. So I think I'm going to, gosh, this is really, really pretty the way it is. All right. I'll never know unless I experiment. And the white will likely sink down and it won't have that much lacing. So I think I should be okay. You can see the cells start to form. Paint and water alone creates just the prettiest design. And then I'm gonna have, of course, I'm gonna have some squigglies in there. But do I want to drag that up into there? I'm trying to see if I want them to like connect or what I wanna do, since I'm just winging it. Oh, that is so pretty. I was gonna do this with my swipe recipe, but I just thought, okay, let's try it with paint and water and see. And then I want to connect. I want my lines to connect here. This is very pretty. I'm liking this a lot. I do want another swipe, and I'm wondering if I do it down this way. These are all going up. Gosh, the blowout with the center like that was actually really pretty just by itself. Oh, I can just feel that I have paint everywhere. Okay, maybe I'll go up here where the white and silver are and just kind of follow that line down. I don't know. What are we thinking? I feel like I do need one more. It's really pretty because it's got the blowout type cells. It's got the big cells from the swipe. I do feel like I want one more coming down through there, but maybe I don't. Maybe I want it right here. I scooped up a big part up here. I can fix it, but I don't know. It's worth playing with again, I think. I think it's really cool. It's got kind of both, almost like when I did the double cup where I swiped it on along with the Australian Floetrol and then I swiped through it. It's got kind of that similar vibe to me. I, of course, love the colors. All right, I'm gonna fix up my sides, give it a torch. I'll see how it dries, if the lacing stays and holds or if it disappears. And I'll show you what it looks like. Jury is still out, but I think I like it. They're two completely different looks. trying to merge into the same painting. So I think I'm gonna have to let it dry and see. I love that section right there. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to let it dry, but I do like the motion that it has. I fiddled a little bit too much up in this top part, but just for trying it out, I think it's pretty cool. All right, let's see how it dries. Okay, I feel like this has lots of potential. I love the blowouts and I love the beautiful swipes that go up. I fiddled maybe just a little too much in the middle, but I think it's really, really pretty. My Payne's Gray color always dry, or it's a Payne's Gray and kind of Prussian blue mix. It always dries matte compared to all of the other colors, but the lacing on it showed up so beautifully when I swiped with just the paint and water in these areas. Oh, and then all the beautiful kind of blowout cell reactions that are there. This has lots going on to it, but I think it's really, really pretty. So I might play around with this a little bit more and see kind of what develops from this, but I think it is super cool. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting. Bye.